6:15 in the morning. आज का vlog start करते हैं early morning. And yes, I am very tired. मैं सोया ही नहीं हूँ actually. So just got up, but this beautiful sunrise woke me up straight in my house. So जब मैंने वॉच ली थी इसके साथ आया था. So it's always next to my bed. I use it like a tripod, which is really good. कहीं भी रख दो. Also, basically it acts as a boombox also. If you play music, it really sounds loud. So it's decent enough. You can keep it anywhere. अपने earbuds भी इसमें डाल सकते हो. No issues with that. Obviously, I'm not allowed on the terrace. So vitamin D is essential. सतर्कता बरतनी ही हो. So this is my kit. लोगों ने अगर ये वीडियो नहीं देखा है सो प्लीज़ देख लीजिए. मैंने पिछले वीडियो में बताया था मेरे किट के बारे में. वेल इंट्रो तो बनता ही है. सो व्हाट्स अप, व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल. आई नो इट्स क्वाइट सैड टू नो दैट कोरोना वायरस के काफ़ी केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं एंड I hope we recover soon. वैक्सीन भी मिल जाए and everything goes well. I could not make a lot of videos because the problem is मैं सुबह 6 बजे सो रहा हूँ और फिर सीधा शाम को उठ रहा हूँ and I'm sure ये आप लोग के साथ भी हो रहा होगा. The whole sleeping cycle has been changed. इसके लिए मेरा फेस भी ऐसा लग रहा है. So I'm sorry about that. Well, today's video is all about how to maintain your motorcycle during the lockdown period. And by the way, मैंने Instagram पे डाला था कितने लोगों ने जीन्स पहनी है लास्ट 15 डेज में वो बताएं एंड सबका जवाब था किसी ने नहीं. So friends, we're gonna talk about how to clean your motorcycle during a lockdown. It's a very simple process. I'm sure by now everyone knows how to do it, but I just thought I'll make a video around it. So before we start cleaning the motorcycle, the most important thing is the current condition of your motorcycle. Yakuza Interceptor 650 of mine is just done 3000 kilometers approximately, and that's why it's quite new, but doesn't mean you should not maintain it. So well, again, checking your motorcycle is very important. If you've done a very long ride and you've not cleaned the motorcycle for a long time, then you need a pressure wash. Yes, if you don't have that available because of lockdown, it's gonna be a little challenging. In my case, my bike is dirty, but it's not extremely dirty that muck is falling off from my chain guard or something like that. So it's pretty much in control, but yes, it is dirty and it needs cleaning, greasing and maintenance. So we're gonna start with washing. If your bike is close to your building, literally close to your apartment, then it's fine. But if it's somewhere else, आप ना जाइए. It's better to stay home. I don't full cover my motorcycle because of humidity. The bike creates heat inside, so मैं नीचे से cover ऐसे रखता हूँ. If you stay in a dry area and it's good weather, it's fine, you can cover your bike completely, but I keep it a little open from down. Every motorcyclist should have a kit. Basically, I keep my kit in a tank bag, and I'm sure you've seen my previous video. If you've not seen, just check it out. I'm going to quickly talk about two things. One is a waterless spray. This is very handy. It's a bit expensive because it actually has nanotech in it. It does have some good solution in it which will actually clean your motorcycle much better. You just spray and clean, that's about it. However, if you don't have this, I highly recommend this spray. I'm sure a lot of people have this. It's just for 100 rupees. I got this from Amazon. This is 1 year old. Trust me, this is a blessing in disguise for every motorcyclist. Yes, put any Pearl Pet or a Coke bottle, prefer if it's around 1 liter or something like that. Well, so to operate this nozzle, it's pretty simple. You just have to do this and there's vacuum created, and that's how you do it. And you can change the modes. See? Oops. My house is getting dirty. So you can change the modes accordingly, and I really recommend this. This is a great device. Every biker should have it because we can find a bottle anywhere and do this, and this is really cool and it's extremely hot, so I don't mind some on me. This is how it actually sprinkles, and it's decent enough. I kid you not. If you are into gentle washing, which we're gonna do for today's video, then it's better you have something like this. If you don't have this, then you just have to go with the flow. Take a normal bucket of water and just start cleaning the motorcycle. Now don't directly put a cloth on your motorcycle because it already has a lot of dust. So what you need to do is sprinkle this water all around your motorcycle, only in the parts which you want to clean. The reason I'm saying to use less water is because when your bike has not done a very long ride and it's normally kept due to lockdown and there is a lot of dust on it, then you need a gentle wash. You don't need a pressure wash. You don't need to put water in greasy and oily areas, which is new. You know, you want the old grease to actually age rather than just mix it with water. So for this I will blame Vishal, क्योंकि विशाल के पास मेरी मेटल पॉलिश पड़ी है. अगर वो होती मैं इसको भी चमका देता, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई कांट डू दैट. सो आई विल जेंटली वाइप दिस विथ वेट क्लॉथ. आई विल नॉट पुट मेजर वाटर. आवाज़ सुना देता हूँ. Okay, can you hear that? That's a sound definitely coming from your motorcycle. Yes, I'm talking about your rear wheel. Front wheel will not squeak, only when you brake it will squeak. The rear wheel, the bearings or the disc pad would sound like that. So the best way to avoid this is to use the motorcycle. Yes, a lot of people will be worried that why is this noise coming? It's very simple. The brake pads do have certain metal in it, and if not used, and if you suddenly use the wheel, it will definitely have a friction and create that noise. So what you need to do is ride this motorcycle. Now in lockdown you can't ride, so what I'm gonna do after this cleaning process is definitely gonna take a couple of rides in my building, and I think that's fine if I do it once in 7 days. So guys, I'm not encouraging you guys to go down, start a motorcycle and keep riding in your building, because your building is gonna be mad at that. Okay, so the second thing to clean your disc brakes, I'm talking about the disc, alright, only the disc, is Scotch-Brite. I'm sure during lockdown every household has this. If you have a Scotch-Brite, all you need to do is put a little bit of chain wax, scrub it a little. Don't scrub it too hard because that area is not gonna affect that much, but it's better if you clean it with this if it's got very dirty. So disc brake देख सकते हैं जंग खा रही है. It's kind of junking, which is quite sad. But see this cleaning process has too many details. I can't do it in one video. So मैं एक बहुत raw video रखने वाला हूँ about cleaning my motorcycle. So ये जो जंक निकालने का है, this I will do a separate video. ये कैलिपर साफ़ नहीं किया है, तो इस कैलिपर को थोड़ा क्लीन कर देते हैं. See, as a biker, a basic kit is always with us, and that's why I'm showing this video. बहुत कुछ है जिससे मैं ये सारे जंक निकाल सकता हूँ, but I don't have those things. So at least this much will keep the bike in good condition. Once you sprinkle water or the waterless spray, or by your own hand, if you sprinkle water over the parts which you want to clean, after that you can take a microfiber. So it's very simple. A pressure wash is like a proper shower, and a gentle wash is like a sponge bath, right? Well, once the gentle wash is complete, we'll talk about shampoo. A lot of people ask me this question: should I use a motorcycle shampoo or should I use a hair shampoo? So if you don't have a spray gun, the shampoo smells good. So if you don't have a spray gun for a shampoo, you can take any of your Colin bottles literally and make it like a spray gun. If you don't, then you need to take a cloth, take a small bucket, put the shampoo in it. The reason hair shampoo is better is because it is quite softer. Yes, it is not like a detergent. A lot of guys I know at washing centers mix detergent, which is a no-no for your motorcycle. I usually use a hair shampoo in a lockdown situation, but if you can buy online a better shampoo, it's always recommended. As far as shampoo is concerned, it's very important that your shampoo is a car wash shampoo. I feel, as per my experience, the grade of a car shampoo is much superior than a motorcycle shampoo. Well, in some cases depends on brands. If you're going for 3M or if you're going for a superior brand, then you need not worry. कर रहे हैं मैं कुछ areas को wet करता हूँ and then I clean it. Shampoo है, lockdown के लिए यही काम आएगा. So you can see that certain areas like this, what you can do is you can just mix shampoo. You can see. So पहले मैंने पानी से काफ़ी क्लीन किया मोटरसाइकिल को. Now I'm going to use shampoo in certain areas, जैसे कि ये मैंने आप लोगों को दिखाया है. So now we're going to quickly talk about the microfiber cloth. Don't have a decent microfiber cloth at home, don't worry, take any of your old towels. Now when I say old towels, doesn't mean a very old towel which is really in shambles. Do not do that. Take a decent old towel which is in a decent shape and size, especially it should be soft, because most of the towels which you use for shower are all of decent GSM and that will be decent enough to clean the shampoo of your motorcycle.
भी shampoo लगा दिया मैंने थोड़ा. So this which is not very clean right now, इस पे काफ़ी stains है. इसका मैंने अलग से वीडियो बनाया था बहुत साल पहले. That powder I don't have right now, so I can't demonstrate that. इसलिए मैं कह रहा हूँ कि I'll make separate videos once lockdown opens up. So ये सिर्फ basic cleaning है. Rear spokes भी काफ़ी dirty होते हैं. So we're gonna clean this. सो बेसिक वाटर एंड शैम्पू प्रोसेस इज़ ओवर. आप लोगों ने देखा पहले मैंने पानी से वाटरलेस यूज़ किया. आप पानी भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं जस्ट टू क्लीन इट. देन यूज़ अ शैम्पू बेस. शैम्पू बेस से बेसिक बाइक इज़ क्लीन. नाउ वील यूज़ ऑल द ल्यूब एंड एवरीथिंग. यस, कई लोग ल्यूब और ये पहले डालते हैं फिर वॉशिंग करते हैं. दैट्स कम्प्लीटली योर चॉइस, पर बाइक चलने नहीं वाली है इसलिए मैंने पहले वॉश किया है. And now I'll use the lube, grease and everything what I need.
I'm sure a lot of people have applied decent amount of chain lube to their motorcycles, but we don't know the viscosity or the quality basically of the lube. So we have to inspect that has it become very thick. You need to clean the chain with a special brush. Now unfortunately guys, I do not have a brush, so you can definitely use a toothbrush to clean your chain.
Now you can see that my chain is junking a bit. Okay, I don't have a chain cleaner, so I can actually use WD-40 and clean this. I will clean these areas, which is very important. यहाँ पे थोड़ा हाथ पहुँचना मुश्किल होता है, इसीलिए प्रेशर वॉश की हमेशा ज़रूरत होती है. See, you can see. Slowly you can clean this.
I use liquid grease by Shiba. The reason I bought this is I've used it on my Grease Monkey, which is GT535. GT535 required grease all the time. Interceptor does not need much, but don't leave such spots which you feel require grease.
So let's try this in certain areas where it's required. बहुत शेक करना चाहिए, बेटर होता है. देखो क्या स्मूथ हो गया, एकदम स्मूथ. पहले थोड़ा हार्ड था. See, best part about liquid grease is that places where you want. So thumb rule is simple. जहाँ पे bolt and nuts oscillate होते हैं, you know, where they need a little bit of movement, this is where we spray the grease. Okay guys, so the basic cleaning and maintenance is done of my motorcycle. This is what I use after cleaning the bike. So the advantage of liquid wax is basically you just have to keep it for say around few minutes, not even minutes actually, 15-20 seconds. Soon as you see it drying, just clean it. I'll demonstrate that. I'm using a new cloth. Please do not use the same cloth. Use different cloths for every process. It's very important. You can put them on fenders. I put them on headlight also, which I will do right now. And also I put them on certain parts like these, like this, you know. So exhaust का भी metal area, you can shine that. You can definitely put wax here, you can wax here. So अब मैं वो सब करने वाला हूँ. Let me show you the difference of the headlight shine now. See that? You see the side indicators? See? Makes a huge difference if you put polish. I've put this a little bit on the handlebar also because it's steel. So lighting is bad for shooting, but you can see it's as good as a mirror now. Looks nice, right? Okay, now the bike is ready. I'm sure we should definitely take a small ride in the building. Not allowed to go out, so I'm sure it will start. EFI चालू है. Let's give it a shot. Yeah, so I just took 2-3 rounds of the building to just warm it up. Brakes are perfectly fine now. थोड़ी आवाज़ कर रही थी initially, but now it's fine. And gonna park it. This is gonna be the video for you guys. Sorry ये video लंबा हो गया because I thought actually बहुत कुछ describe हो सकता है. I can describe a lot about maintaining a motorcycle, but it can't be done in one video. But I just thought, because there was a lot of requests that how do you maintain it during lockdown. And now the same process I will repeat after 15 days if the lockdown continues. If not, and if we are able to ride, nothing like it. But देखते हैं, the way the things are going, I don't think so we'll be able to ride soon. But fingers crossed. Hope is always there, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And as usual, friends, eat well, sleep well, be good. Signing off, Raj from Rad Moto. See you soon, Yakuza. See you soon. Gonna miss you.